Hello everyone, today we are going to do a very easy and quick one. Welcome to another Excel tutorial. Today we are going to I'm going to show you how to be able to easily walk through some filter through some data sets without having to use the filter function, which in my opinion is not bad, but it's okay. But sometimes it pays to make it easier, just to save time and energy. So today I'm going to show you how to filter through some rows of data without having to use the filter function. Let me show you an example. For example, now instead of you to let's say you want to filter through this data, instead of you to select this and just maybe click on the filter, this thing, and place some filter there to filter. Let's say you want to filter the departments. This is a data set that contains full name, the department, and the salary. It's an employee data set. So if you want to filter through this employee data set easily without having to use the filter function, like now, if I want to see people working in IT, I could just maybe after inserting the filter, I can just click on this and go to IT. Yeah, those are the guys working in IT. Now, if I want to click on people that are working in HR, these are HR. There are easier ways to do this, so I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. Now, okay, let's undo all this. Let's take away the filter and let's start from the beginning. So let's say now I want to filter through this data set without having to use the filter function. There's a tool for you to use in Excel, which is a slicer. You can use a slicer, make it nice, design it and make it nice, and just put it there and use it to slice through your data easily. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So now let's use a slicer to slice this data set. So what I'm going to do, this step-by-step process. The first thing I'll do, I'll just click, take all the data sets, all of them. You can use Control A to do it. After you've taken everything, including the headings, just do Control L. No, Control T, sorry, do Control T. Then you see this pop up here. This is you are trying to turn this data set into a table. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click if the first row of this data set are your headings. You could leave it clicked. If they are not your headings, you won't click it, but these are my headings, so I'll leave it ticked. Then I'll click on OK. So once I do this changes everything. This data set now is now in a table format. So now the next thing I'll just do is I'll just do a little design on this. I'll just maybe take the whole data set again by using Control A and move it down a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, keep the space at the top there for my slicer. I can actually move it back here, then keep the space at the top there for my slicers. Then what I need to do is just click anywhere in the data set and click on go to insert and click on slicers. So in this slicer menu you can use we want to be able to filter through the department. So I'm going to click on departments and click on OK. So this slicer comes out. Now this is tricky part. Now I want to design this slicer in such a way that I can actually easily place it here and use it. So what I'm going to do, there are columns, height, the width. This is all for the slicer. So I want to change the columns. I want to make it into 2 columns. Okay, how many columns do I have here? Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, let's use 3 at the top. So I'm going to change into three columns. So after making it 3 columns, I can decide to expand it and see. Then I'll reduce the width there, reduce the width and reduce the inner width also. I want to reduce the inner width also. So when you expand this again, that looks okay. Then you could just reduce this, then take this up here. So I want to fit it in here, so I can make it smaller. I want it to fit into that space I left there. So it's still not fitting into the space I left there. So I'm gonna try to reduce the height a little bit. So just want it to fit into that space I left there. Or it's not still fitting in. I'm still gonna keep on reducing the height sorry, until it fits in. I just want this to fit in. We still have a long way to go. Let's keep reducing the height until we fit it in. Oh, it fits in. So in order to make this look better, I'm gonna try to the slicer. So I'm gonna try to like bring this, select the whole table and bring it down a little bit so that I have more space there. So I just wanna make it look better. So I just wanna have more space at the top there where I can place this thingy. So I'll bring it down just to give me more space here. Then I will try to work more on the slicer to make it look better. So I'll increase the height, increase this, then do this, increase the height again. I just want to make it look better. I'm not doing anything much. I'm just trying to design it to fit it in there. So this looks better. So I just want it to look good so that anyone using it, yeah, then just reduce the width a little bit so that it can fit into the beginning of the table like this, something like this. Okay, nice. This looks better. Yeah, this looks better. So now using this now, you could actually slice through. Like if I want to see the guys working in HRO, instead of me to go here, drop down, deselect, select, choose HRO, I don't have to do that. I just have to click on HRO. See, everyone in HR is here. I want to go to IT. IT guys are here. I want to go to finance. The finance guys are here. I want to go to let's say customer service. Customer support. Customer support is there. Sales. So this is very easy way to slice through your data. So today I'm just showing you how to use the slicers. So if you want to undo the slicer, I just have to do this and everything is undone. So you've undone the slicers. So this is just a simple way to slice through your data, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a simple and quick one. See you on the next one.